So, I don't know if you can hear this. It's coming from like under our deck. I meant to turn on the flash. No, you can't see anything because my camera's blurry. Dirty, I mean. But like... can you hear that shit? Coming from under the deck? Or like from under the house? Also, there's a shit ton of slugs here. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? But like, you can hear that, right? Like that water? Is that like the septic tank? Because that doesn't sound good. What the fuck is under here? You know what? I don't think I want to know.
But yeah, that sound is kind of concerning.
Also, there's so many goddamn slugs. What the fuck? Anyway, let me look real quick. Just like a quick... Ah, I'm walking. Wow. There's nothing here. Now I'm going back inside. Oh, my camera's blurry. But yeah, those are the sounds I've been hearing lately.